Hey there everybody. I'm going to make a coaster for my mom. This is her English Bulldog Chowder. I'm going to do it as an offset, 6,000 millimeters per minute and 35% power. And I'm doing an offset fill. And so let's see how long this takes. So the offset fill was a lot faster than doing it with the just regular fill. Now the benefit of the offset fill is that the laser is on longer, and so if you're doing just a path that's all connected, this is sometimes a lot faster depending on the size of the item that you're working. Got a little too close to the edge. Now this is her other Bulldog, Zinda, and I just drew these on Illustrator. I just traced a picture that my mom posted. This is just supposed to be a fun little gift. So far this has taken 4 minutes. Alright, to prepare the coasters I did spray them with a clear coat, and that seems to really make the image pop. I'm doing 4 coasters for my mom, Dolly, Zinda, On It, and Chowder. And so I'm just going to surprise her and see how she reacts to them.
Oh, there was our back.
Well, I think, I don't know.
Well, everything is good.
Yeah.
Oh, that is so cute. Oh my gosh. Oh yeah. Not like. Oh, how cute.
I think she liked them, and I'm pretty happy with them myself. So I'd say that is a great use of these coasters and laser. Thanks for watching.